What's up, guys? Welcome back to NCH Software Academy. And today, guys, I'm back with another course. And in this course, guys, I'll be teaching you how to remove a background on any picture using PhotoPad. So this course is specifically focusing on background removal on images. Yes, yes, we are focusing on removing background on any kind of an image. And obviously, I'm pretty sure now by now you are able to add a picture, but I think that's the first thing that I shall show you how to add a photo in PhotoPad. Before anything, let's go straight to our folder. So we have those photos. So I want to add this photo. Just click it, just click option, your right click side, then you go straight to open with, then you go straight to PhotoPad. After clicking there, it will open the image straight to your PhotoPad. So right now, guys, definitely you are able to open like your image on PhotoPad. um, yeah. So please do watch the second episode. In our second episode, we will be diving deep on how to get this thing and just get it, just do it correctly. So please, guys, watch each and every video, because each and every video will be focusing on how you can achieve, like how you can remove your background and make it looks great, or make it look white, purple, green, whatever color you prefer, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you on the next video. Please be there.